Welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you in detail how to create beautiful flowers from an ordinary paper accordion. Immerse yourself briefly in childhood. Remember how bending a sheet of paper back and forth, you get an accordion. What feelings do you recall? For me it is joy, happiness, peace. Let's dive into the atmosphere of childhood together and make beautiful flowers from paper harmonica. To make such flowers, please prepare the following tools and materials. Color cardboard, colored paper, pencil, ruler, compass, glue, scissors. First, make a simple flower. To do this, cut 2 strips of paper 5 centimeters wide. The diameter of this flower will be approximately 13 centimeters. If you need a smaller flower, then make 1 strip but thinner. Now we add each strip into an accordion. Fold width 1 centimeter. For a smaller flower, it is better to fold 5 millimeters. Now we add each strip into an accordion. Fold width 1 centimeter. For a smaller flower, it is better to fold 5 millimeters. From the obtained part we form a ring. To do this, glue its tips. And now, directing the top edges to the middle, press them down. You should have such a circle. From a colored cardboard, cut a circle with a diameter of 3 to 4 centimeters. Glue it in the middle. The flower is ready.